I'm fond of saying we're the 48th state admitted to the union. Sometimes we act like that. We act like the adolescent child, which is sometimes pretty good. We get very vigorous debates out here on various issues that express a wide variety of opinions and have a vigorous discussion about them. And throughout her tenure in office, she's been fortunate or unfortunate to be part of many, many of those discussions.
And if she vetoed very similar legislation a year ago, I would have guessed, and I assume you would as well, she'll veto this legislation, right?
Well, I never guess what the governor will do. I'm pleased that she's allowed me to talk to her about this issue. She's always a very open person in terms of talking to folks and hearing them out, and that's all we can ask of folks that are our elected representatives, is that we're heard. I did convey to her my thoughts about that, and that my concerns were that we have 50 statutes on the books in Arizona that protect religious liberties. In Arizona, we all know we have our First Amendment rights as well. There's a whole statutory framework for that currently. My personal concern on this one is it's just written in. If you look at all the other statutory makeups, it's much too broad, and it could be construed in very unusual or different ways and cause havoc on the system here in the state. I was fortunate as a young kid to have my father argue a case in front of the Supreme Court, which in 1971, Dewey versus Reynolds Metals, which was a First Amendment case about a Seventh-day Adventist who wanted to refuse to work on a holiday, on a religious holiday, or have anybody else work in his place. That was an interesting case. I was a kid at the time, but we still debate these types of issues in our country, and she's at the epicenter of that debate right now, and I'm sure she'll take a very thoughtful approach to it with her staff and her team. And as I said, I believe she'll make up her mind sometime Thursday at the latest on Friday.